Welcome to the Charles Fort Lauderdale Garden. Today I'm going to show you how I make delicious green juice using greens from the garden. So I'm going to start by harvesting some kale. Kale is loaded with antioxidant and it's very good for the body. So very healthy greens, very healthy vegetable. The next greens I'm going to harvest is collard greens. Like kale, collard greens is filled with antioxidant. It is low in cholesterol, has lots of fiber, and should be part of a healthy diet. This will also be going into the juice. And if you check my channel, you will see a video that shows you how to easily prepare collard greens. So go check it out. The next greens I'm going to use are salad greens. Salad greens, just like the other greens, are loaded with antioxidants, lots of vitamins and minerals. And if you check out the channel, you will see one where I made wraps using the salad greens instead of bread. As you can see, they are very big. The leaves are big, so you can definitely make wraps with it. So go check out that video and make yourself a healthy breakfast sandwich or a salad with salad greens. I've decided to use some of these June plums in my salad. As you can see, the tree is laden and some of the fruits are on the ground. This is as a result of the severe storm that we had a few days ago. So it's perfect to harvest and use them in my green juice. Green fruits, green juice. Have you ever had June plums? How do you enjoy them? Here's some big ones right here. See them? I think 5 of them will be enough for the juice. Oh, I see a ripe one here. Yep, can be used. Let's see if there's any more. June plum, anyone? Now I think I'm ready to start my juicing. Come with me to the kitchen. I will begin by washing the fruits and the greens. The apple will give it some sweetness. I also like to use pears in it. Now for the greens. Okay, I'm going to use the colored greens, but I'm not going to use too much of it, or it might give it a bitter taste. Now for the June plums, seeds and all. A week ago, I extracted some juice from ginger. Check out the video on how to use and store ginger. I'm going to put some of this juice directly into my green juice. And because it is concentrated, I'm not going to use too much. See all that greenery? It's good for the digestive system. I'm going to pour it in this bottle. Is that green enough for you? I'm going to put some ice in it and enjoy my green juice. Let me give it a taste. See if it needs some more ginger. Yeah, I could take some more ginger in it, but it's delicious. So try some green juice. Make it to your own taste. You might just like it. It's about 2 cups worth. The rest of the greens I will steam. And next time I'll show you another way you can use greens. Now you might be wondering, what am I going to do with all this fiber that is left? Well, it's going back from whence it came, and by that I mean right here in the bed of greens. Makes good compost for the garden. Remember to get your copy of this easy to read interactive devotional called Letters to 16 Strong Biblical Women. And while you're getting yours, get one for a friend or a family member. You will find the Amazon link in the description. Thanks in advance.